That's better. I always feel better after I visit the Strand. Fantastic shop, like bookstore. Look at this fella. Seems happy enough, like. I was scooter there a few dollars later, like, but it's worth it. God, I've been in yonks. So it kept us out the cold and all, like, in the bloody snow. The woman in there has just been saying, it's not like snow flakes, it's snow pellets. I guess that's funny, I was just saying the same thing myself. When the bloody wind goes at your face. So I was pleased the Strand was open, because there's a lot of stores. Not for that a day, like. Those there's one there, as I speak. We just haven't bothered ourselves, like. Thankfully the Strand has, good old Strand. Right, I'm just heading back down to 9th Street now. I'm going to head across the 7th, I think. I'll go to 7th Avenue. I think I've got a funny feeling that well, I've been wondering about that so far. I have actually already taken quite a few street signs on the avenues, but I don't want to get here and say I've missed my loot. So it's definitely been if I get off 6th, I might get the bus along to 6th just to be absolutely certain. Get 6th, 7th, and then when I get to 8th, and that was a lovely coffee shop, like cafe. I was in the other day at the Carve it's called. Might just head back there, get the camera on charge and that. Cup her in some of eat. Oh, that's better. I'm on the bus now. It's nice and warm on the now. It's got the eating on full hog, which is good. Need one else. Where's a couple of people on, that's a good thing. Just when I jumped off the sidewalk there, I got on the bus, I didn't realize how deep the snow was. Bloody leg. Nice and warm on the other. Look at the drivers, I was announced where you're coming up to and that, which avenue you're coming up to. I'm actually going to go along that far. If it had been a normal day, if it hadn't been snowing and that, I would have just walked it anyway, but it's really hard can, like. Plus I've got the MTA car, like, so I might as well get the most of it. So I'm thinking I'll get along as far as 6th. I'm not going to get that far. I think 6th and walk along from there. I think that's the plan. Like. Well, I was telling you to stay on the bus. I'll take the pictures from the bus. But no, that's cheap. Like, you can't do that. Just go like that. What y'all can get off? I'm going to press a button and get off of it. Now they can stop. Oh, there's a little tape on the thing there. Gonna jump on this guy. Yeah, that. Okay, I'm just going to jump off here. Well, I've just spent just spent the last 2 hours trudging about in the snow, getting all the avenues and cross street signs. What a job! I was actually going to go to the High Line as well, so I was walk along there, but I shut the tail, I shut it down because of the weather. That's a shame, like, to do that. But 11th Avenue doesn't actually begin until in this nonsense. Look at this, man. And just a few minutes ago, actually, it was a right, it was like a whirlwind, like a blizzard just hit out of a sudden. It was like, what a stick in the face and that. But anyway, when I got to 11th Avenue, like a clock. That's this bloke. That's exactly where 12th Avenue started. Just was a short distance. Please give it a... Oh, there's no 12th Avenue. I said, eh? He goes, no, it's not called. He goes, all it's called is the West Side Highway. It's not actually called 12th Avenue. Yeah, I knew that was called a bollocks. I knew it was. Yeah, saying it's 12th Avenue. It's a good job I didn't listen to him, especially when I was in the middle of that blizzard that just happened. If I turned around and said that way, it doesn't matter, and just give it up. I would never done this. There it is. 12th Avenue, West 29th Street. So that's it, I've got them all now. I've just punched the air in celebration there before. I'm sure this bloke gone past his car was thinking, TP? There's a VIP heliport entrance over there. Can't see that beach. Actually, I might just pop over there now. No, it's in the river. Looks like it's... should have got it. The weather's not really picking up at all, like. I haven't been anywhere near any sort of main tourist areas yet. I'm getting wet now. What do I do? Look at the river here. Head along. Well, we were at 30th Street. I think it's head along. It was on 10th.